Luka Doncic, nakapagtala ng triple-double laban sa dating koponan na Dallas Mavericks. Pinangunahan ni Luka ang Lakers sa score na 107-99 win. Pinamukha lang ni Luka sa Dallas kung sino ang sinayang nila nang ginawa nila ang most shocking trade in NBA history. Umiscore si Luka ng 19 points, 15 rebounds, at 11 assists. Tiningnan ni Luka ng masama ang Dallas bench after niya makuha ang una niyang 3-pointer sa game. Bumato pa ng no-look pass si Luka kay Austin Reeves for the 3.
It's not just your ability to see it, but to deliver this pass. And look at, I mean, that is on the money. And listen, the trade doesn't happen if it wasn't done behind the scenes. There's no question about that.
Saying here in the second half, trap Luka, also bring the pressure to Austin Reeves as well. Offensively, love that they're getting to the rim. The paint touches are great, but they've been impatient.
Nakapagambag naman si LeBron ng almost triple-double din with 27 points at Austin Reeves ng 20 points.
He's got Christie down there in the blender and James buries it with 2 hands.
After ng game, sinabi ni Luka sa post-game interview ang kanyang naging saloobin. Sometimes I didn't know what I was doing out there. I am just glad it's over. Patikim pa lang yan ni Luka. Muli niyang makakaharap ang Dallas sa April 9 at ito ay tiyak na kaabang-abang.